How to blur a part of a video in CapCut PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now before we are going to get started, I'm going to show you this clip right here. So this is my video. Now in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and copy my clip here, and I'm going to go ahead and create an overlay by putting it on top of this first video here. Now that we have an overlay, we're going to go over to effects, and here we're just going to go ahead and look for blur. Alright, there's our blur. I'm just going to drag this one here to our video, and then you can go ahead and adjust the intensity here later on. Okay, now that we have added a blur, we're going to click this once again, and we are going to go over and head to mask under the video tab. Now here, I'm just going to go ahead and use a circle, and as you can see, right after doing that, we are now just blurring this selected part here. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to cover this guy's face just like so. So if we are going to play this one, it should look like this. And that is how you are going to blur a part of a video in CapCut PC.